Hi, my name's Terry Anderson and I'm a clinical hypnotist. Welcome to Healthy Hypnosis. This site is here to help you improve your health. Most of us do not realize how our thoughts can control our life and our body. Yet what we do know is that if we think negative thoughts and keep thinking those negative thoughts, we become sad, depressed, angry, frustrated, and eventually we become ill. There are hundreds of books explaining that process to you. And what they all tell us is that if we change our thinking to think positive thoughts and keep thinking those positive thoughts, then we obviously get positive, feel better, and we become healthier. So let me help you find a positive, easy way to improve your health. In my practice, I have helped many people to think in a different direction, helping them to feel better and achieve the things in their lives that they desire. If you want to take control of your health, to get into the driving seat and take charge of your life, then download one of my CDs and listen to it on a regular basis. Now, this is not necessarily a quick fix. It has taken years for you to get to where you are now. But if you download my CD and listen to it every day, you will start to feel better. As well, you will be replacing the negative thoughts about your illness and changing them to positive thoughts. You will learn to release the self-healing chemicals within your own body to allow you to become healthier. Now, the commitment I need from you is to listen to my CD at least once a day. Every day. My CDs last approximately 20 minutes. So make a habit of listening to it, whatever time suits you best, but make it part of your life. If you listen to it at the same time every day, it will become as natural as breathing, and you should find a big improvement in your life. So choose the download you require, and I will explain the best way to take back your health. Thank you.